Ever wondered what JDK is and why it's used? Dive into the world of Java Development Kit, or JDK, a powerhouse toolkit essential for any Java programmer. Starting off, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It's essentially the bread and butter for anyone looking to develop applications in Java. This toolkit includes everything you need: a runtime environment, an interpreter, loader, an archiver, a documentation generator, and much more. It serves as the foundation upon which Java applications are built, tested, and deployed. Now, why use JDK? The simple answer is that without it, you cannot create Java applications. JDK allows programmers to write, compile, and run Java programs. It translates your written code into a language that your computer understands, making it executable. Output. So, how does JDK work? Imagine you're writing a set of instructions for someone to follow. JDK takes your high-level instructions, written in Java, and compiles them into bytecode. This bytecode is a set of instructions that the Java virtual machine understands. The JVM part of the JDK then runs this bytecode on any machine, making Java a platform-independent language. Installing JDK on your computer is straightforward. First, download the latest version from the official Oracle website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Set up the environment variables on your system to point to the JDK installation, and voila, you're set to start programming in Java. Speaking of updates, JDK has seen numerous iterations over the years, each bringing significant improvements and new features. As of mid-2024, JDK 17 is the latest long-term support version, offering features like enhanced memory management and better performance. In summary, JDK is indispensable for Java development, translating high-level code into a language that machines understand and enabling the creation and execution of Java programs across various environments. Installation is a breeze, and with continuous updates, JDK remains at the forefront of programming technology. Remember, whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned developer, JDK is a tool that bridges the gap between your creative ideas and functional Java applications.